Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be going through the Casio Classpad fx-CP400 CAS calculator tutorial. And today's topic will be on stationary points for derivatives, and we'll be using simultaneous equations on the calculator. So the question is, the curve of the equation y equals to ax plus b over 2x minus 1 has stationary point at 2, 7, and find the values of a and b. So essentially, we need to set up two equations. The first one is, let's say this is the fx and equals to ax plus b over 2x minus 1. And essentially, the first equation we need to set up is fx of 2 is equal to 7, because when x equals to 2, y equals to 7. And then the other equation we need to set up is, let's call this g of x, and basically is the derivative function of x, where when x is equals to 2, the gradient is equals to 0. So that's what we need to set up for equation 2 on a calculator. And that way we can solve for the variables a and b. Okay, so let's get started on the calculator. So basically, you go to keyboard and then go to math 3, and then just do your F and G here. You can see. So you first go to define, and then F of x is equals to, and then just type that equation in. So basically, go to var for variable times x, and then plus, and then just do the fraction. So it's var b, so b over 2x minus 1. So you just do that and then press enter. So define that function there. Press execute. So that's done. And then you just do the same thing for g of x. But in this case, we use the derivative function. So define g of x and then equals to, and then you want to go for math 2 and then select this one here. So math 2, select this one for d over dx. So do that, d over dx, and then inside the bracket, put the fx in there like this, and then just go execute. So that's done. Okay, then we need to solve our equation. So basically, simultaneous equation, you go to math 1, and you can see this selection here. Press on that, and then you just do your f of x. So in this case, it's going to be f of 2 equals to 7, and then the other one is g of 2 is equals to 0. So just do that. And then inside, so the variables you're solving for is go to var a comma b. So key that in for simultaneous equation. So f of 2 equals to 7 and g of 2 equals to 0, because g of 2 is basically the derivative function of f. And when x equals to 2 is the derivative is 0. And you're solving for a and b. Press execute and you get a equals to 2 and b equals to 9. So we can quickly update our answers here. Part A, so let's do that. Okay, let's quickly bring this up. Okay, so now we can redefine our fx. So f of x is equals to a is 2, so it's 2. Oops, let me quickly fix that. So basically it's 2x, so 2x plus 9 over 2x minus 1. Now for part B, we will need to find the other stationary point. So basically, we just need to update our calculator to redefine our fx, and consequently redefine our gx, and solve for gx equals to 0, solving for the x. So we need to key this in. So g of x equals to 0, and we're just solving for x on the calculator to get the other x coordinate point. And once we find that value, whatever that is, we need to put that in here back to our f of x and then find what the y value is. Okay, so let's quickly do that. So basically, we just go back to define. So you can copy this at the very top of our calculator. we first define fx, but in terms of a and b, we can just copy that, but replace the actual a and b with the numbers. So in this case, it's going to be 2 times x and then 9 over 2x minus 1. So define like that. And then again, you can scroll back up, copy this one here. So just copy that and then paste and execute. So that's done. And then if you want to check if the values have been updated, so we don't want to see any A's and B's. So just copy and paste the GX only, and then just execute and check if there's any more A's and B's. And you can see there's no longer any A's and B's. So it's all been updated to a number. And then we want to go for the solve function. So you go to math 3 and go to the normal solve. And then in this case, we're solving for gx equals to 0, comma x. So just type that in, press enter, and you can see the two solutions. So x equals -1 and x equals to 2. And then to find the y coordinate point of that stationary point, you just go copy the fx, paste it down here, and swap it with -1. So do it like that. And that way you can get the y coordinate point at -5. So let's quickly update our answers here. So let's do that. Okay, bring it up. Okay, yep. So yeah, the final answer for that will be -1 and -5 for part B. So yeah, so that's it for today. So if you've got any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next tutorial. Okay, see you later.